my stock that I just removed from the freezer. I'm not adding any other thing because my stock is very, very tasteful. I have added every ingredient I needed to boil my protein, so my stock is okay to go with the rice. Carrots, green beans, mushroom, everything together. Fry your rice very well with the ingredients together until you see this rice separate from each other. It will now remain one before you know that your fried rice is fried. Remember, I prepared my vegetables with butter, so I don't need any other oil to fry my fried rice. This is the trick. Watch on. You don't need excess oil on your fried rice. When you serve your fried rice, let there be no traces of oil remain on the plate. That is exaggerating. You do everything moderate. Wow, this is amazing. This rice is so yummy. It's so, you feel it when you eat it. Oh, well, I really enjoy it and I would love to share it with you. Unfortunately, this is fun. Don't forget to share, like, and leave your comment below. Tell me where I made a mistake on this fried rice and let me know what you think about it. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.